Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working with Power BI and want a quick, reliable way to count all the rows in a table using DAX, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple measure that gives you a count of total rows. Super useful for dashboards, reports, or just checking your data quality. Let's jump right in and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to open up Power BI. If you already have your report or dataset open, you're one step ahead. Otherwise, just launch Power BI Desktop and load up your data as usual. For this example, we're focusing on a table called Organization, but feel free to use whichever table you'd like to count rows from in your own scenario. Now look over at the Fields pane on the right. This is where all your tables live. Find the table named Department and click on it to select it. This tells Power BI that you want to work within the context of that specific table. It's an important step because when you build measures, they're tied to the table you've selected, which helps keep your reports organized and makes your formulas easier to manage down the line. With Department selected, move up to the top ribbon and click over to the Home tab. Here you'll see an option labeled New Measure. Go ahead and click that. Now a formula bar will appear, a bit like what you see in Excel, but this time it's for DAX, which is Power BI's powerful formula language. In the formula bar, you'll want to type in your new measure. Let's name it something clear so it's easy to find later. Type Count Department equals COUNTROWS Organization. What we're doing here is really straightforward, but very effective. The COUNTROWS function simply counts all the rows in a specified table, and in this case, we're using organization as our source table. If your table has a different name, make sure to replace organization with the correct one. This part is often where folks get tripped up, so double-check your table name. Power BI is very literal, and even a small typo will give you an error. Once you've entered the measure and pressed Enter, Power BI will create that new measure and add it to your fields list under the Department table. Now, you need to actually get that result onto your report. In your Fields pane, look for the new Count Department measure you just created. It should have a little calculator icon next to it, which is how you know it's a measure and not a column. Click and drag Count Department onto your report canvas. You can drop it into a card visualization if you want a nice big number display, or into a table, chart, or whatever visual suits your needs. As soon as you place it, Power BI will show you that total row count from the organization table, and it'll update automatically as your data changes. This is a huge time saver for tracking staffing, resource allocation, or just keeping tabs on your dataset. And that's really all there is to it. Setting up a row count measure in Power BI is quick, but it's one of those small techniques that makes your reports so much smarter and easier to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more DAX tricks. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.